Futures and options can be a powerful tool for creating an income stream, but only in the right hands. For the wrong person, it's like giving a sports car to someone who is never driven. Thrilling for a few seconds, catastrophic right after. Before we jump in, let's ask ourselves which of these personas do we see ourselves in the mirror? Welcome to Financial Flywheel, where we are in the journey to design, nurture, and run our financial flywheel. Here's the truth: we all carry a little bit of these do not personas inside of us. Maybe we get a thrill from risky bets. Maybe we panic when we see red numbers. Or maybe we skipped the boring prep work because it's just easier to click by. But here's the big question: are we willing to step out of that comfort zone? Are we willing to swap the quick dopamine hit for long term discipline, to replace guessing with structured thinking, to turn reaction into reflection? Because the difference between someone who burns out in F&O and someone who can thrive isn't talent or luck, it's pure mindset. The market will reward those who train their temperament as much as their strategy. The only thing standing between us and that level of preparedness is us. This topic is a very important and a sensitive topic that seldom gets discussed. Thank you for tuning in. Say hi to Gautam. Gautam is 29, works in sales, thrives on adrenaline. Whether it's poker nights with friends, sports betting, jumping into the latest crypto hype, he's there. Phone in hand, heart racing. The market to Gautam isn't a place for analysis, no, no. It's a high stakes game. He loves the thrill of being in the action and chases trades that promise overnight riches. Research, that's boring. Risk management slows him down. When his trades hit, he celebrates like he's won the lottery. When they don't, he doubles down to win it back. And when he loses the capital, he feels depressed. The pattern is predictable: spikes of euphoria followed by crashes of regret. In F&O, Gautam's approach is a ticking time bomb approach. His needs for instant gratification blinds him to the strategic patience the craft demands. Without a complete mindset shift, he is destined to turn trading into an expensive entertainment. Ananya. Hi there, Ananya. Ananya is this 29-year-old marketing professional who recently dipped her toes into F&O trading. She's intelligent, ambitious, loves crazily being in control. The moment she places a trade, her phone becomes an extension of her hand. She checks prices during meetings, at dinner, even in bed. Every small dip feels like personal failure, and every uptick brings fleeting relief. When a trade turns red, she can't focus on anything else. Her mood swings with the market. One bad day wipes out a week's emotional energy, making her question if she is cut out for trading after all. Her challenge isn't the market, it's her inability to detach emotionally from the outcome. In FNO, this tendency can burn her out before she had even the faintest chance to develop a real skill. Greetings, Bharat. Bharat is 28, works in a modest call center in Pune, and dreams of escaping his 9 to 5 grind overnight. The problem is, Sir's investment capital is actually next month's rent. Every trade is an all or nothing gamble because if it doesn't work out, he has got absolutely no safety net. He tells himself, this one trade will change everything. But deep down, he is running on hope, not strategy. He skips learning the basics of F&O, ignores paper trading, and chases tips from WhatsApp groups. When trades go south, it's not just his portfolio that's in the red. His personal life starts crumbling too. Bharat's story isn't about bad luck. It's about bad planning. In F&O, without a backup fund or a fund allocation strategy, the pressure to win every time turns smart decisions into desperate moves. And desperation is the surest and fastest way to blow up an account. Now, let's try and cheer Beulah. Hi, Beulah. Beulah is 28-year-old HR coordinator who thrives in people-centric work but freezes the moment a spreadsheet opens. She is the queen of what is called as a gut feel, whether it's picking a restaurant, a prospective employee for a job, or even picking a stock. Graphs look like a foreign language. Probability distribution. Oh, the very word sounds disturbing. She'd rather binge watch a series than figure them out. Her hope, instinct, and air quotes of common sense will beat the market. In reality, in F&O, ignoring the math is like flying blind in a storm. Alan, hi Alan. Oops, sorry Alan. Carry on, carry on. Meet Alan, a 32-year-old marketing executive in Chicago. His world moves very fast. Campaign launches, viral trends, instant social media feedback. So when he first dipped into F&O trading, he expected the same adrenaline speed. If a position didn't show green within hours, he felt something was wrong. He jumped from strategy to strategy, chasing the next big trade instead of letting the trades play out. His impatience made him cut winners too early and hold on to losers in the hope they'd turn around fast. For who likes to lose? In Alan's mind, markets were a sprint. Okay, in reality, they are a series of carefully planned marathons. But slowing down, allowing theta decay, theta decay is a means to allow time to pass by in the language of F&O, was never his strong suit. Kavya. Sorry, she's asleep. Kavya believes she's done her research after watching a single 10-minute YouTube video while sipping coffee. She skips the boring stuff. No backtesting, no strategy, no refinement, no tracking performance. For her, preparation is optional. It can be winged. It's part of the thrill. Most importantly, I can tell my friends that I am into trading. Schools, this sounds cool. She thought and continued her sleep. She trades live on day one, blissfully aware that the market has a way of punishing casual fast and hard, so much so that the future sleep will be at stake. Now let us look at Omkar. Yo there, Omkar. Oh, sorry, he is busy playing. Omkar treats the market like his favorite mobile game. The flashing candlesticks, they look like power-ups, and the buy and sell buttons are just too tempting. Every little price movement somehow feels like a reason to act, until the broker statements reveal a slow leak in his capital owing to brokerage overheads. He is in a constant action mode, convinced that more trades means more opportunities, not realizing that over time His activities is quietly eating away his profits. Omkar's problem isn't lack of skill at all. It's lack of patience and restraint. Okay, now let's try and sum it up. The sum of all fears, so to say. In F&O trading, the market doesn't just test your strategy, it tests you. Some psychological tendencies can turn even the best trade setups into disasters. The gambler's high, overconfidence, loss aversion, impulse trading, all this and more. In F&O, these aren't just bad habits, they are catastrophic. Recognizing is the first step to protecting both your capital and your confidence. These are deep rooted comfort zones that cause such compulsive behaviors and mental patterns. And unless we are ready to step out of these zones and stay away from these zones, we are not suited for FNO. In the real world, coming out of the comfort zone is a psychological program that needs commitment and self awareness. Unless there is freedom from these tendencies, there is no point in venturing into FNO. In fact, it's dangerous. This is once again a very sensitive topic, and one must empathize and support such individuals, and most certainly not encourage them into FNO. Thank you for your time. Good luck for all that you're doing. Until we meet next, bye for now.